Mr. Nez, World Famous Foods. We're in Ansbach, Germany. About to go check out some food trucks. Stay tuned. Hey.
Ziegen, hello.
Dein Name?
Mein Name ist Friedrich Schuppener.
Hier ist Friedrich Schuppener with Mr. Nez from World Famous Foods.
Hallo.
Und ich habe Ihnen gesagt Servus, aber ihr sagt das bei ihr zu Hause. Die sagen immer Hallo, auf Wiedersehen.
Guten Tag.
Guten Tag, sowas dann.
Tag.
Ja? Aber schon das kennenzulernen und wir laufen dann weiter zu den Food Trucks und schauen, okay?
Gute. Aber
Danke dir.
in Bayern darfst du immer Grüß Gott.
Grüß Gott, okay.
Das
Prima.
ist für mich, ich bin Christ, aber das
Okay.
war für mich ganz fremd.
Prima.
In meiner Heimat.
Prima. All right, so we go into the entrance, I guess, where the food trucks are at. Should be somewhere down here. Yeah, we just met some guy back there, man. That guy was pretty cool. He's doing this thing there. The kids doing their things over there. This right here. He's got some of that good. Okay. There we go. So this, I guess, where we're gonna find everybody back here. What you got? Drinks? Where? Him right there?
A while ago. I don't even know if you remember. I always see him. This is it right here.
Okay, so let's check it out. Oh, here we go. Smoked burger. Okay. We just walk through here and then we're gonna try something, all right? Crepes. Guess we got different types of stuff you can add to it. Nutella, apple, chocolate. Supposedly this is type of, it says soul food, but okay. Fladen, Konig, donuts. Look like they're frying the donuts, Oreos, etc. Donuts. So what we really want to try today is there we go right there, Mexican. That's what we're going to try this out today and give it a little review from Worldfamousfoodz.
Actually have.
Huh?
I did not expect them to have Mexican food.
Told you that. There's that guy again.
You gonna order it?
Yeah, I'm gonna just walk through and then come back and get it. Philly cheese. I mean, so far stuff looks good, but presentation is always, you know, something big.
Good for the city right now.
Yeah. Just spend that money in Ansbach. That's what you want. So they got the classic currywurst there. Okay. None of these lines are even long, so that gives me a question: is the food even good? Okay. Let's go back down this other way then. Langos. Which one?
Those guys, they like stopped walking and slowed down. And he said, filming the in and stuff. And then I said, is that not allowed? And he was acting all friendly.
Who?
That guy, but he was all friendly afterwards.
Oh, okay. That tell him a piece of my mind. So this line is long. Oh, that's for drinks though.
I mean, I'd probably just turn it on you, but I don't know why it's not on you.
There's your food.
I'm gonna keep looking.
Get that bike out of here. Oh, so look at this one right here. I'm gonna have to say this on camera, but this right here, don't get that. You actually get sick. I'm gonna have somebody who try this drop a comment so y'all can really believe me. Don't get it. It's not good. Nope. All right, folks, so we're gonna get some from here and we'll be right back. All right, Worldfamousfoodz about to try this out. It's a chili bonanza burrito. Some type of newspaper, let's see here.
Is it good or what?
It's not bad. I mean,
You give it 1 through 10.
4.
4 out of 1
Yep.
through 10?
4. It's not spicy. Could be a little bit more seasoned.
Let me see it. All right. 4 out of 10, right?
4 out of 10. Nothing special to write home about.
Ariana heißt das Kind, der sucht die Mama. Ariana heißt das Kind. Sucht die Mama.
What kind of homeless person to give this to?
Homeless person again.
Frau gefragt, das Kind. Sucht die Mama. Bitte zum Cheese-Stand kommen.
All right, guys. So I'm gonna be reviewing the burrito. Yeah, just not good.
All right, people, fans out there. We came here, tried the food. Not up to Worldfamous standards at all. As Shane said, 1 to 10. I gave mine a 4. Shane gave his a 3. Isn't that right, Shane? Look at that.
It's a 2.
Gave it a 2. Worldfamousfoodz, we out. Till the next video.